This is my go-to high-protein chicken avocado salad on a hot summer day. Over 50 grams of protein per serving and super easy to make. Start by slicing one chicken breast. This one is about 9 ounces. Then marinate it with some white pepper and cornstarch. This step is key. It gives the chicken that really soft and silky texture. Bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer, not a full boil, and add in the chicken. Let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, just until it's done. Don't overcook it. That's how you keep it tender and juicy. While that's cooking, make the sauce. In a bowl, mix together Greek yogurt, soy sauce, tahini, a little honey, lime juice, and a pinch of salt. Add a bit of water to loosen it until it's smooth and pourable. This sauce is creamy, a little tangy, and slightly nutty. Slice up a ripe avocado and plate it with the chicken, then drizzle that sauce all over. If you want to take it to the next level, add some sesame seeds, cilantro, or a little chili oil on top. And that's it. Super simple, high protein, and actually satisfying. If you're tired of dry, boring chicken breast, give this recipe a try. Enjoy!